So it's a very simple application with the help of which you can manage your transactions. Okay. And there are two simple steps which you have to follow. The first one is inventory. You can add your products to your inventory just by clicking its photograph and adding the details of the product over here. You can further customize this page based on your requirement. Now once the product gets added, it goes into the SQLite 3 database which is connected in the backend of this application. Let me just show that also to you. So basically there are two tables inside this database, one with name bills and the other with name products. Okay, so the products part, the products table contains all the products which you add to the inventory, and this other table which is bills stores the bill that you generate through the application. Okay, now when it comes to inventory, here you can simply add the product. Okay, and when it comes to the billing part, you can add the product by scanning the QR code which the application generates once you add the product, and then you can simply generate the bill after adding all the products which the customer of yours has purchased. Now what all things are there in the backend, let me show that also to you. So when it comes to this coding part, we've used Flask in the backend. Okay, there is this database as I've told you. Then there are two tables that gets created when you start the application. This is the one which is generating the QR code for us. This is taking us to the login page. So this is the one, it takes us to. Okay, now once you get redirected to the login page, what happens is, if you add admin and admin, if you pass admin as username and admin as password, it redirects you to the dashboard where you get to see two different options, inventory and generatable. This is a route which takes you to the inventory part, and this is a complete code that helps the person in adding the product and also in generating the QR code for that particular product. Now once you add the product, this is the one which takes you to the billing section. So there you get this add product named button, which when clicked executes this route which you're seeing over here. So based on the name which comes inside the QR code, it pulls all the details of the product and add it to that page. Fine, and after that the bill gets generated with the help of this simple function. So that's the complete structure of this application. It's a very basic application with the help of which you can easily manage the day-to-day transactions of your shop, your shopping complex, or if you own a mall, there also you can use it very easily. Right, so I hope you guys liked it. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. That is it from my side in this lecture. If you want to learn to develop these kind of application, you can contact me on my number, or you can leave your comment in the comment section below. I'll contact you. That is it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day.